We have so many excuses to skip our sadhana. Well, there is no mat. Oh, I don't want to sit on the ground. Oh, I have knee pain, so I can't sit on the floor. Blah, 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 blah. Well, what if I tell you that today we are going to practice 15 minutes of follow along yoga abhyas without any mat, without sitting, just standing practices. Now, you can practice these very simple exercises in the morning once you wake up, or even in the evening once you are back from your work. You can do it in your garden, or maybe in your society's green area, or maybe at your home, and even at your office, because all that you need is little bit of space. That's it. Not even space of your own height. So we are going to do these very simple practices as follow along today. These very simple practices are going to take away all your stress, physical as well as mental. It is going to help you in reducing your waist size, in reducing your abdominal fat, and also in giving you energy, health, and happiness. So let's get started. Let's begin with taking 3 deep breaths. So you're just gonna stand and let's take 3 deep breaths and join your hands in gratitude before we go to second practice. Second practice is Yoga Chalan. So we are going to walk at our place wherever we are standing. As shown in the video, we are going to keep walking for next 1 minute. This very simple practice is going to help us in increasing the heart rate, in proper circulation of blood in our entire body. Keep doing. Now, while doing this practice, we have to move our hands as well. This practice helps us in warming up for further practices. It is a wonderful warm-up exercise, and this Yoga Chalan, which we translate as Yoga Walk, is one of the such practice of Bharat Yoga that we do at the beginning of our everyday routine. So keep walking, observe your heartbeat, observe your breath rate, and once you have observed your heart rate and your breath, now open your arms and we're going to do 3 deep breaths. Have gratitude for your breath, have gratitude for this wonderful life, have gratitude for this wonderful human body. 3 deep breath and then bring your hands down, relax. Next, we are going to do Virechan gati, feet together, bring your hands at 90-degree angle. While inhaling, we lift up our hands, and while exhaling, we bring our hands down. Now open your legs, spread your arms, take 3 deep breaths, observe your breath, bring your hands down and relax. We're going to repeat Virechan gati. Again, spread your legs, open your arms, and 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Do it 3 times. Once it's done, bring your hands down, relax your entire body. Join your feet together for Tadasan. Interlock your fingers and place your palms in front of your chest. While inhaling, lift up your hands, stretch your entire body, and now gently lift up your heels and balance your body on your toes. Now, entire body is stretched. Feel the stretch at your abdomen, at your spine, at your calf muscles, at your ankles. Hold this position as long as comfortable. Then while exhaling, bring your hands down. Let's do it all together. Inhale, stretch, lift up your heels, balance your body on your toes, and focus on this amazing stretch that we are getting. Now exhale, bring your hands down. Let's repeat it one more time. While inhaling, lift up your hands, stretch, lift up your heels, hold the stretch as well as hold your breath inside. Now exhale, bring your hands down. One more time, inhale, stretch, balance yourself on your toes. Hold it as long as comfortable. Exhale, bring your hands down. Join your hands, spread your legs and relax. Next practice is Skandh chalan. So interlock your fingers as shown in the video at the back side of your body. Now we are going to stretch our hands down. So keep your body straight initially in the initial position. So look at the initial position and then we stretch our hands, bending our neck backward and our shoulder blades also backward, and we feel this amazing relaxation at our spine, at our lower back, at the back of our shoulders and at the back of our neck. Let's do it together. Inhale, stretch, hold this position as long as comfortable. Exhale and back. One more time. Inhale, stretch, feel this amazing stretch at the back of your neck, back of your shoulders and your spine. Exhale and back. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands back. Now inhale, hold as long as comfortable. Exhale. Now we are going to relax. Join your hands. Relax yourself. Next practice is Mrinal gati. For this, feet together. Lift up your hands in Namaskar Mudra above your head and keeping your elbows straight. While inhaling, we bend towards one side. Exhaling, come back. Inhale, bend towards another side. Exhaling, come back. So let's do it together. Stretch your entire body. Inhale, bend towards your left side. Hold as long as comfortable. Exhale and back. Inhale, bend towards your right side. Hold as long as comfortable. Exhale and back. So while doing this practice, keep repeating it. Follow along. And while doing this practice, focus at your waist, at the side of your body. Feel the stretch at your underarms and at the side of your chest as well. This wonderful practice name is Mrinal, which means lotus. So the movement is like a lotus flower and it gives you slim waist. It helps you in stretching your body. It helps you in several other ways. Be focused, be alert while doing this practice. Focus on your breath, focus on the movement. Inhale, bend, exhale and back. Inhale, bend, exhale and back. Now stretch your entire body. Keep your upper body in stretched position when we are practicing Mrinal. Feet must stay together. Keep doing it. Inhale, bend, exhale, back. Inhale, bend, exhale, back. Inhale, bend, exhale, back. Inhale, bend, exhale, back. Now you stretch your entire body. Exhale, bring your hands down, join your hands, spread your legs, relax. Skandh gati. And for Skandh gati, feet together, spread your arms in such a way that palms should face towards each other. Now, while inhaling, twist in such a way that right palm should touch left shoulder. Exhale and back. Inhale, twist from opposite side so that left palm should touch right shoulder. Exhale and back. Now let's do it together. Follow along. This is how it has to be done. Now feet together, spread your arms at shoulder level and palms facing towards each other. Inhale, twist, right palm touching left shoulder. Exhale and back. Inhale, twist, left palm touching right shoulder. Exhale and back. Let's do it. Inhale, twist, feel this extreme relaxation at your spine. Exhale and back. Inhale, twist, feel this amazing relaxation at the back of your spine, at different vertebrae of your spine. Keep doing it, keep practicing it, but do not lose your focus. Focus on your spine, focus on your posture, and of course, focus on your breath. Remember, when yoga practice is done without breath awareness, it does not give best result as we want. So make sure that you inhale while twisting, hold your breath in as long as comfortable, exhale and back. Inhale, twist opposite side, hold your breath in as long as comfortable, exhale and back. Keep doing it. This practice reduces your waist size. This practice releases tension from your spine. This practice rejuvenates you, energizes you instantly. This practice also relieves shoulder pain, and this practice is also helpful in weight loss and maintaining a good body shape. So we are doing it repeatedly so that we can get maximum result out of it, but we are not doing it in a hurry. We are doing it with a lot of patience and consistency. That's very important. So make sure you do not hurry up while doing these practices. Follow these practices, practice them with dedication, devotion, and consistency. Inhale, twist, exhale, back. Inhale, twist, exhale, and back. Now bring your hands down, join your hands, spread your legs, and relax. Next, we'll be doing Arda chakra plus Vibhakta hastapad. So give gap between your legs, shoulder width gap. Place your palms at your waist. While inhaling, bend backward as much as comfortable. Do not try to go too much back. Now, while exhaling, bend forward. Keep your hands absolutely loose. Keep your neck loose. Here, we are not trying to touch our forehead to our knee. Okay, so let's do it together. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, leave your spine, leave your hands, and leave your head absolutely loose. Look at it from the side. So inhale, bend back, blood is flowing towards your head. Exhale, bend forward. Now blood is flowing more towards your head. Inhale, bend back. Feel this amazing stretch at your spine. Exhale, bend forward. Let the energy flow upward towards your head without putting any strain on your back or your shoulder or the back of your neck or your arms. That's very, very important. That's why it is Vibhakta hastapad and not hastapad, which means we are not trying to touch our forehead to our knees. Neither are we trying to touch our hands to our toes. No, not at all. We are just leaving our upper body absolutely loose in the final position. Similarly, when we are doing Arda chakrasan, it is not complete chakrasan, so we are not putting any strain on our spine. This is one of the easiest practice with maximum benefits, and this is a combination of two practices, Arda chakrasan and Vibhakta hastapadasana of BharatYoga. So when we practice this combination, it helps us in reducing weight from our back, our hips, our waist, and our abdomen. But it also helps in curing migraine, headache, cervical. It blesses us with glowing skin, healthy hair, and it gives us instant energy. It is also a practice which is good for our heart because flow of blood is going upward because of gravitational force which goes downwards all the time. Now we are going to relax. Join your hands, spread your legs, relax. Relaxation is very important after each practice. Now let's wind up today's session with 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, feel your breath. Exhale. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Join your hands in gratitude. Thank you. So these very simple practices you can do every single day. Which was one of that practice which you liked most? Comment below and let us know. What other follow along videos you want to see? Let us know that as well. Lots of love, light and blessings. Hari Om.